Boho crochet tops are more than just a fashion trend. They're a beautiful expression of freedom, creativity, and a fellow style. When we talk about bohemian fashion, we imagine soft textures, earth tones, relaxed and handcraft beauty. Crochet tops perfectly capture this spirit, blending tradition with modern fashion in a way that feels both timeless and fresh. Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are exploring the world of boho crochet tops, designs that are not only stylish but also full of personality and charm. If you love unique outfits that stand out and tell a story, then this video is just for you. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing crochet fashion ideas. Boho crochet tops come in a wide variety of styles, each one offering a different vibe. Some designs are light and airy, perfect for summer days, while others are more detailed and textures, ideal for layering in cooler weather. But beauty of crochet lies in its versatility. Each stitch creates a pattern that adds depth and uniqueness to the garment. One of the most popular boho crochet top style is the loosey flowy design. These tops are usually made with soft cotton yarn and features open patterns that allow air to pass through, making them perfect for hot weather. The relaxed fit gives a comfortable and effortless look, often paired with jeans, skirts, or even beachwear. These tops usually include wide sleeve, off-shoulder cuts, or deep necklines that enhance the behind bohemian aesthetic. Another stunning style is the crop boho crochet tops. These tops are shorter in length and often include intricate patterns such as floral motifs, geometric shapes, or lace-like textures. Crochet tops are perfect for pairing with high-waisted jeans or long skirts. Create a balanced and trendy look. The handmade feel of crochet adds a unique touch that you simply cannot find in machine-made clothing. Sleeveless crochet tops are also a favorite in boho fashion. The designs highlight the shoulders and arms, making them perfect for layering with accessories like chunky necklace, bangles, or long earrings. Many sleeveless tops feature fringe details at the bottom, adding movement and a playful vibe to the outfit. Speaking of fringe, it is essential element in boho crochet tops. Fringe adds a sense of motion and freedom, making the top look more dynamic. Whether it is added to them sleeves or neckline, fringe instantly transform the simple crochet piece into a statement outfit. Color plays a very important role in boho crochet. Color play an important role in boho crochet tops. Earthy tones like beige, brown, granny square crochet tops are classic example of boho fashion. These tops are made of by joining small square motifs, each with its own pattern and color combination. The result is a vibrant and artistic piece that feels both vintage and trendy. Granny square tops are perfect for those who love bold and eye-catching designs. Lace-style crochet tops are the other elegant option. These designs use fine yarn and delicate stitches to create a soft, feminine look. They are perfect for special occasions for adding a touch of elegance to everything outfits. Lace crochet tops often feature detailed patterns that require skill and patience, making them truly special. Boho crochet tops also allow for a lot of customization. You can choose the yarn, color pattern, and style according to your personal taste. This is what makes crochet fashion is so unique. No two pieces are exactly the same. Whether you prefer a simple design or a highly detailed one, there is always something that matches your style. Accessories big up play a role in completing the boho look. Pair your crochet top with long necklace, feather earrings, or handmade bracelets as a white brim hat or a crossbody bag to enhance the overall style. The goal is to create a relaxed and artistic look that reflects your personality. Boho crochet tops are not just about fashion; they also represent sustainability and slow fashion. Handmade boho crochet tops are not just handmade crochet pieces often use natural fibers and take time to create. Encourage mindful consumption. By choosing crochet clothing, you are supporting craftsmanship and reducing the impact of fast fashion. For beginners who want to try making their own boho crochet tops, starting with simple pattern is a great idea. Basic stitches like chain, stitch, single crochet and double crochet can be used to create beautiful designs. As you gain experience, you can experiment with more complex patterns and techniques. For those who prefer buying ready-made crochet tops, there are countless options available in markets and online stores. Look for high-quality yarn and knit stitches to ensure durability and comfort. Handmade pieces may be slightly more expensive, but they are worth the investment because of the uniqueness and quality. Boho crochet tops are perfect for many occasions. You can wear them to beach, festivals, casual outings, or over semi-formal events. Depending on the design, their versatility makes them a must-have in every wardrobe. In conclusion, boho crochet tops are a beautiful blend of art, fashion, and comfort. They allow you to express your individuality while staying stylish and relaxed. Whether you choose a simple design or a bold statement piece, crochet tops will allow add charm and elegance to your outfits. Thanks Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing crochet fashion ideas. Stay creative, stay stylish, and we will see you in the next video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you can share this video to your friends. These are really beautiful crochet patterns, and you can watch these red color crochet boho design, pink color, and this lavender type white color crochet pattern. These are really beautiful. If you want new video like these ideas, you can comment in the comment sections, and we will prepare the beautiful video for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. You can save it or share it to your fellows. Look at these beautiful crochet patterns. There are variety of crochet patterns, crochet boho designs, crochet crop tops, yellow color, and this is beautiful crochet pattern in white colors, pink color, yellow color. These are really beautiful patterns. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.